This, of course, is a channel that you come to make money with crypto. So if you haven't done so, you're going to smash that like button. Today, we're going to talk about Floki Inu. And with that being said, I am, of course, the most open-minded investor / NFT artist on YouTube with a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, cookie-accepting, cat-free, technical and specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends. And last, as a believer of Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean opera with hair naturally curlier than the average Asian male and highly coveted by many moms with daughters, also known as Hambel Kim. And without further ado, we're going to jump right into Floki Inu. What is happening? A big 15% dump today, down to 12. I'm just going to call that 12 pennies, something really tiny. So that looks like it's comfortable at a nice sort of support region there with the previous lows sort of sitting where it's at. Definitely a good place to dollar cost average in as well. Why am I saying this? Because you know what? Floki Inu is solid, mate. It's so solid. Okay. This infographic here, right? Floki integrates Chainlink to break into DeFi. What does this mean for Floki? Providing DeFi access to Floki users, smoother transaction process between buyers and sellers, decentralized network, tamper-proof, up-to-date and precise market data, and growing acceptance and using of Floki. This is truly one of the best integrations possible. Chainlink is simply the best blockchain oracle that's out there right now. Floki Inu looks to overtake Shiba with new Chainlink-powered DeFi platform, guys. This is not a small thing, okay? People's Currency, Floki has announced a new partnership with Chainlink less than 24 hours ago. Floki Inu now has integrated with Chainlink price feeds on its ETH and BSC blockchains. I love that because BSC is so much cheaper to trade on. So we look at the thread, right? What does this mean? Quick overview for Chainlink. An oracle solves this problem. So essentially, while smart contracts are a great innovation, they're limited in what they can make possible due to their inability to access off-chain data. An oracle solves this problem by feeding them into real-world data in a way they can understand. Data is everything for Chainlink, okay? Chainlink has more than 600, 700 integrations. I think one of them even includes Google. So Chainlink is going to be like the next Google on the blockchain, right? Chainlink is the biggest and the most respected of those Oracle solutions, especially on industry of it in itself. And more importantly, Chainlink helps secure over $75 billion worth of smart contracts. That is not small, guys. Ensuring secure access to tamper-proof, up-to-date, and accurate market data at all times. So what is it going to enable? It's going to enable staking, lending, borrowing. This integration will also play a key role, watch this, guys, in helping Floki's P2E play to earn NFT game function efficiently. Oh my gosh, I cannot be more excited by that. So obviously the news is nuts. Floki Inu Chainlink integration is good news, okay? Apart from highly active community, Floki Inu's partnerships and integration further pushed the narrative for the project. In fact, on 3rd of December, Floki Inu made a public announcement via Twitter that platform had integrated Chainlink in a strategic move to break into DeFi, which is great. We're also looking at, from the chart-wise, that it is forming a bit of a triangle, but it did sort of dip into the 12 region, which has been a local sort of support, right? And we're hoping that it will then moon out of here. But the fundamentals are looking good, guys. Back in November, we had NASDAQ, right? Out of all places, published an article, Floki Inu will be the next Shiba Inu. Plain and simple, guys. Anyone who knows, Floki could be the next 10x trade. So let's open up our minds to a dog-centered digital asset and deserve more consideration from crypto enthusiasts, guys. So it's not a meme coin, guys. It is a movement, a new cryptocurrency birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community. So with that being said, we're looking at the social volumes and the movement around it. When there's a peak in social volume, according to Lunar Crush, you're gonna get the bump in the price, right? That's what meme coins do. You gotta have people shilling it, right? So for it to go up. You gotta people are posting about it. See, even this little peak has accounted for this peak in the price as well. But there's nothing really sort of crazy about any peaks in the social volume. But can I just say that in comparison with the other social volume, if you range it by the highest to the lowest on Lunar Crush, we have the top at Bitcoin. The second is Ethereum. Yeah, Doi-hiki. That's going to be the case. But if we go actually find Floki Inu sits above. Here are some notable mentions here. MetaHero sits above XRP. And we know the army there is crazy. Decentraland has less social volume than Floki Inu does. Come on, guys, right? Floki Inu therefore has a massive potential. Polkastarter is below that as well. Cannot believe. Tether is below that. Everybody loves talking about Tether and how unstable it is, right? It's above a Veracity. Cannot believe this, guys. Tron is below this as well, which is crazy. Polkadot is below this as well. Avalanche is below this. Internet Computer is below Floki Inu social volume, guys. So it's leading up. It's leading up to something really, really great here. So the social volume and the price action right now, it's post-pump. We are seeing, and it's some 60% retrace, which is a good place to buy in, right? It's showing some strong promises for Floki Inu at the moment, right? We've had Floki Inu go on some jerseys, right, on soccer teams. And the soccer sort of space is going nuts in the crypto world as well. As well as that, we're seeing that Floki Inu is going to be making its face and debut as the very first crypto being marketed on Burj Al Khalifa, which is the tallest man-made structure in the world. So it is absolutely crazy for Floki and its future potential, right? So if it is going to be the next Shiba, it's going to be the next Doge. Well, here it is, guys. I think this shows some massive potential here, guys. And look, if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just one of those bags you got to have, right? You know, if you're going to play the crypto, yeah, focus on the use cases and all the rest of it. But, you know, we're here to make money, and, you know, meme coins do make money. You just got to follow the right trends and observe where people are moving, right? And then another thing is that Floki hasn't even been listed on the major coin exchanges. So if it does then get listed on the major coin exchanges like your Coinbase or even your KuCoin, well, that's going to then absolutely change the game. Is it on KuCoin already? No, it's not. Yeah, it's not on KuCoin yet. So if it goes on to KuCoin is just one of those notorious exchanges where a coin will list itself and it's just going to take that coin to the absolute moon, guys. With that being said, that is the end of my video for today. Hope you guys manage your risk well. Obviously, only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Always use sound strategies like dollar cost averaging and also diversifying your asset classes as well. Make sure you go and like, share, subscribe, ring that notification, all that good stuff onto this channel. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.